Welcome back to this Introduction to Functional Programming in Ocaml. This is week 5, and in this week we will discover all the imperative features of the Ocaml programming language. Well, actually, Ocaml is a functional language. We have learned to do many things up to this point, and if you notice, you did all this using only data structures which are immutable, you cannot modify them, identifiers for values, but these are just names for values that you cannot change. There is no in-place modifications, no variables, no memory cells. And then you are using pure functions, just functions that have no side effect whatsoever. And also the control, the flow of the control is not changing in any way. With this fragment of the language, we can go really very far doing just pure functional programming. Remember, church thesis, we can program whatever we want. Anyway, there are situations where imperative features can be useful to be more efficient in space, faster in execution. Well, Ocaml is a functional programming language which has a range of imperative features. For example, we will discover that there are exceptions that are useful to model alteration of the flow control or capture exceptional situation. We have operations for interacting with the outside world, input and output, which are of course modifying the state. Then you have data structure which can be modified in space. They are mutable and they are useful for very specific, efficient imperative algorithm. And of course you have a specific syntax to help you write for and while loop in the usual way. Well, basically, let me just say this, it's really your choice. In Ocaml, you can be purely functional or you can program in a full imperative style. In any case, a type system will be helping you stay safe. What will be presented in this week, we look more in details at exceptions, input-output operation, and the special type we will learn to use, which is a unit type, the mutable data structures, references, which represent variables, and for and while loops. So hang tight and let's start to see these extra imperative features.